In the heart of Zhejiang, China, stands a remarkable facility like no other. The precision and innovation meets here. Welcome to AGZC Tech. With a sprawling amount of square 133,400 feet, this state-of-the-art building is a hub of advanced manufacturing. Our factory has 5 core areas, which includes production, quality inspection, research and development, marketing, and a warehousing. We boast over 400 sets of high-powered equipment, including computer numerical controlled 3, 4, and 5-axis laser cutting machines from Mitsubishi, CNC lathes, automatic pipe benders, and a variety of machines that complete stamping. We are very committed to advanced work in the high-performance industry and auto parts and sales manufacturing, research and development. As one of the world's best designers and manufacturers, AGZC Tech produced high-performance racing accessories. We aim to ignite the dreams of car enthusiasts and racers all over the world. We are slowly taking North America by storm. Our company's products are widely used in Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, BMW, and other famous brands. We provide high-quality modified exhaust systems for Ford Mustang, the F-150, F-250 series, Dodge Charger, Challenger, Chevrolet Camaro, and other models. In the past 3 years, we've sold more than 900,000 sets of automobile intake and exhaust pipes, 500,000 sets of cast aluminum transmission oil pans, and 300,000 sets of cast iron cylinders and heads of high silicon molybdenum alloy GMV8 covers. The annual sales volume? With the strong support of our design team and capabilities, our annual sales have reached $30 million in 2023. It will increase at an annual rate of 20%. This is power and precision with our innovation is combined. But that's not all. AGZC Tech, as an IATF certified enterprise, also boasts an impressive aluminum alloy casting production line. With gravity and low pressure casting, liquid extrusion process equipments, we offer over 5,000 varieties of exhaust pipes and mufflers, including SS304, SS201, SS409, aluminum plated and carbon steel according to customers' personalized needs. Additionally, customers can request various product surfaces such as polishing, brushing, or even high-temperature liquid ceramic paint, etc. You can always rest assured that quality is the most important. And we offer over 5,000 sets of inspection equipment worth over $5 million. This is how we ensure products can take place quickly and efficiently. We have various methods for testing and meticulous quality management systems in place. Every product that leaves our facility is a testament to our hard work and excellence. We guarantee that for all quality issues reported by customers, AGZC Tech will adhere to the principle of compensation first and communication later to strictly ensure the quality of products. So whether your company is seeking top-tier casting solutions or you are a racing enthusiast looking to supercharge your vehicle's performance, AGZC Tech is your partner that can work with your needs, quality, precision, and innovation. This is why customers are partnering with AGZC Tech. Feel free to call us directly or visit our website to reach out. Contact us now, and your journey towards precision begins here.